Hi, CWSers. This is a lesson on time zones, and we're going to help you determine how time changes throughout continental United States. There are four main time zones as you take a look at the United States. If we were to include Alaska and Hawaii, we would obviously need more time zones. And actually, out here in the Atlantic, technically, it could be considered a different time zone. But for ease of business and air travel, we have these four main time zones: Eastern, sometimes referred to as New York time; Central, which we live in, Central Standard Time, also sometimes referred to, though, as Chicago time. Then there's Mountain Time and Pacific Time. So if we take a look at where these are located, we have Eastern Time on the East Coast. We are in the Central Corridor of the Midwest. This is Central Time, Mountain Time, and Pacific Time. Now, as the globe rotates on its axis, as the Earth rotates on its axis, so first sun exposure, sun up is here first, and then second, third, and fourth. And so if it's 9 a.m. here, Eastern time zone, you have to take away an hour. So it'd be 8, 7, and 6 a.m. Now let's take a look at this. If it's noon in New York City, what time is it going to be in Chicago? So here is noon, and again, if we can subtract an hour, it gets us to 11 a.m. Let's take a look at it again. If it is noon in LA, what time is it in Washington, D.C.? So now we have to add time. All right, so it's noon here. What time in Mountain? 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and then finally it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the Eastern, in the Eastern time zone, when it is noon in the Pacific time zone. All right, hope that helps.